Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the area and taking action immediately. Clear a 3-5 meter zone and put on gloves, eye protection, and steel-toe boots so you stay safe. Take a saw or chainsaw and cut the palm trunk as close to ground level as possible. This reduces leverage and makes the stump easier to access. Once done, remove loose fibers and the hardened bark around the stump top so you can expose the base for the next demolition steps. Next, dig a trench around the stump to expose about 6 to 12 inches of the root base. You need that clearance to insert tools. Use a heavy maul or sledge with steel wedges to fracture the dense palm wood. Strike firmly and reposition wedges until the stump splits. If available, a hydraulic splitter speeds this up. Make sure to cut and pull large lateral roots with a root saw or reciprocating saw. This prevents tugging that could damage surrounding ground. Finally, lift and haul away fractured pieces. Load heavy chunks onto a wheelbarrow and dispose or chip them. Once mostly removed, either use a stump grinder to reduce any remaining nub to below ground or dig deeper and break out the last fragments by repeating wedge strikes. Backfill the hole with native soil, tamp it down to prevent settling, and water lightly to settle the fill. If the stump refuses to move, cut deeper around roots, reposition wedges, and continue leveling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.